A longtime Brown County cardiologist remains behind bars this evening, charged with serious sex crimes.
Yeah, at least 2 patients have accused him now of misconduct during medical exams. He appeared in court for the first time today, and WLWT News 5's Aaron Thomas explains the judge's orders. Hi, Aaron.
Hey, what's going on, Mike? Yeah, this doctor is currently behind bars in the Brown County Jail behind me. That judge wasting no time, setting bond at about $700,000, also ordering him not to make any contact with the 2 people who have made these allegations against him. Well, we're also hearing from the defense attorney who's doubling down, saying that his client is innocent. Appearing before a judge virtually, Dr. Ali Ghazemzadeh learned how much it would take to get out of jail.
We're dealing with the most serious of offenses here, and I'm going to set a bond that appropriately takes into consideration the severity of the charges, as well as the risk, the public safety risk. She set his bond at $700,000. The longtime cardiologist fighting rape, sexual battery, and gross sexual imposition allegations made by 2 female patients. And prosecutors say more alleged victims have come forward.
Since the filing of these charges, there have been, the Sheriff's Office has received more allegations against him, and the possibility of more charges being filed are high in this matter based on those ongoing investigations.
Authorities executed a search warrant about 2 weeks ago after a patient alleges she experienced unwanted contact. Investigators later learned of a second alleged incident in June of 2025 where another patient accused Ghazemzadeh of touching her breast without warning or consent. The doctor's defense attorney says his client is a pillar of the community, adding he's ready to fight the charges against him.
He does enjoy the presumption of innocence in this case. These are allegations, and looking at the evidence that we have at this point, and I'm not trying to try the case in front of the court here at the bond hearing, but I do not believe that there's any forensic evidence here. This is an allegation, a verbal allegation.
Additionally, the judge ordered Dr. Ghazemzadeh to stay in the state of Ohio, and he had to surrender his passport. His next court appearance is scheduled for August 6th in the morning. Reporting live in Georgetown, Aaron Thomas, WLWT News 5.